Hey everyone, welcome back to Simple Guide TV. Today I'll show you two easy ways to remove the background from your images in Canva. Whether you have Canva Pro or not, I've got you covered. First, let's start with the Canva background remover. You need Canva Pro for this method. Insert your image in Canva. For this tutorial, I'll use a cute panda sticker. Resize and position your image in the center of the canvas. Next, select your image and click the Edit Image button in the top left corner. Use the BG Remover option, and Canva will remove the background for you. Unfortunately, this feature is only available for Canva Pro users, but don't worry, I have another method for you. In the second method, we will be using a free online tool that removes backgrounds from images. You will find the link in the comments below. Click the Upload Image button and select the image you want to edit. This tool will automatically remove the background for you. Now you can simply click here to open this image in Canva, or you can download the image and upload it. And there you have it. Two simple methods to remove your backgrounds, whether you have Canva Pro or not. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more simple guides. See you guys in the next video.